It's super easy to get your report once you've downloaded it from AgendaWorx. You're just going to open any Excel file, you're going to go to Data and click on that little icon that says From Text or CSV. It looks like that. Once you've clicked on this, it's going to show you your File Explorer, and you're merely going to select your file, click on it, and click on Import. So you'll see I select my file and I click on import. Now what's going to happen is make sure at the top that it says delimiter is a comma, please, and then you're going to click on load. Quick and easy. All right, at the top, you're going to see your board evaluation name, the date, and then you will be able to see a question as well as who voted what at that question. So I can see that if I make that a little bit smaller, that Tolana said voted 2 at this question. Zanele voted 3, Z voted 1. And then if you scroll down, you will now see how many people, that's the count, how many people voted 2. Only one person voted 2. How many people voted 3? 2 people voted 3 at this question, and one person voted 1 at this question. All right, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will now see a section that shows you your average score per question, your total number of votes, as well as your total score. So this is the total number of people that casted a vote, and that is your average and your total score. All right, let's say you now want to work with this information. So I'm going to copy that, Control C, or you can right click and copy. You're going to just create a new tab or a new spreadsheet at the bottom, and I'm just going to click on that to just make my columns nice and wide. And the only thing you're going to do here really is just select it and go to data at the top and say sort, and then you can sort according to, let's say I'm going to say my data has headers. I'm taking that out because I didn't select all of it there. And I'm going to say I want to sort according to column D, which is the totals, and I want to order it A to Z. And then it's going to ask you sort anything that looks like a number as a number and just say, okay. All right, quick and easy. And in this way, you can easily sort the information for yourself.